What brought me to Trinity is the support systems we have here, as far as academic support and mental health. It's been great. My first semester here was a little rocky, but with the help of my professors and on campus therapists, I was able to come back successful and excel. I think my most memorable moment here is getting in touch with the therapist on campus. It was a huge stepping stone for me. So definitely my most memorable moment was being able to get that help for myself and knowing that it's here on campus for me. Getting the help I needed, and it motivates me to know that I can go above and beyond and I can just conquer being here, because being here, it's a very rigorous school, but it has the help here. It has the help needed to excel. I hear so much more on the improvement of myself. I'm more involved in clubs. Like I said, I've been excelling academically and mentally, and I also have been exercising, so physical health as well. So definitely a difference in that. I'm a completely different person. I definitely smile more now. So I feel really happy here. Hi, my name is Ayanna Blake, and I am in the class of 2025, and I am from Houston, Texas, and my major is psychology, and I also minor in entrepreneurship.